Sunday and I wanted some soul food, so I am making beef necks with gravy over jasmine rice, some cabbage, and cornbread. Oof, it's gonna be so good. I am starting with 4 pounds of beef necks. Put that in my crock pot. I cleaned the heck out of these beef necks. I rinsed them off 3 times, and then I gave them a vinegar and lemon water bath, and then I boiled some water and poured that on top, let it sit, poured it off, rinsed it again. Listen, I'm making beef necks because I wanted oxtail, but oxtail is so ridiculously expensive. Anywho, I'm gonna season these with some oxtail seasoning. I also got beef necks because my mom said that if I couldn't find oxtail, that beef necks was like the closest to oxtail. Nice spice, meat seasoning. The Kinder's buttery garlic and herb. Black pepper. Garlic powder. I would add some onion powder, but I don't have any right now. I probably should have seasoned these in the bowl that I had them in and then added them to the crock pot so it'd be easier to like mix everything together. But my mom did not say to add any oil, but I'm going to add some just because I feel like it binds the seasonings to the meat. Oh, you know what? I love how my brain just works. Didn't work out how I expected it. All right, let's try this again. Her secret ingredients. She said to get the beefy onion one, but I could not find it. So I'm going to put 1 in the bottom, pour in some beef broth. Give that a little whisk. So I have 1 pack in there and I'm gonna use the other pack. I'm using 4 pounds of meat. So I just wanna make sure that there's enough gravy. And then I'm going to put the rest of this beef broth. Okay, that's good. This is what we are working with currently. I'm cooking these on high for 4 hours. I'll probably come back and check around the 2-hour mark to see if I need to add some more beef broth or not. Give them a good stir, and yeah. I have less than an hour on the slow cooker left, so I'm gonna start getting my rice, cabbage, and cornbread made. There's 5 minutes on the crock pot left, so I'm going to make a cornstarch slurry just to thicken up the gravy.
What? Okay, I was just hanging out reading the backhand.
A little extra special.
I want my Yvonne back.
I do crafts and games.
The bids are gone.